Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, even though I've been gone for a year. Yeah, so I don't know. I don't really have an excuse, but we're just gonna kind of get into this video and ignore how I've been gone for a year. Today I have a little package. This little baby right here is the new iPhone 11 Pro Max. I've had the iPhone 11 Plus for the longest time. Got my trusty little scissors over here. Where does this open? I did buy a case for it and I have a screen protector. Why is it black? Okay. Okay, that's interesting. So the packaging is black, which is a little different. Normally it's white. And they used to actually use black packaging back when it was like the 2G and 3G iPhones. They used black packaging and they eventually switched to the white packaging. So it's interesting that they're doing black now. I wonder if it's just for the Pro version and maybe... Okay, so the packaging it's basically the same thing as the normal packagings except in black, which I actually really like the black. When I first saw the iPhone, I thought it was the ugliest thing. I was like, the camera looks like a stovetop, kind of looks like a fidget spinner, but it's actually really nice. Okay. Compared with the XS Max, so one thing they changed, obviously, besides the camera that was square, glass is actually matte now and slightly textured compared to the XS Max, the XS, which was there's a wide, a telephoto, and an ultra wide lens. So they, the regular, I want to see if this came in space gray with the stickers. Oh, I'm upset. So when you get the new MacBook Air, the stickers actually come with the color that you get your laptop in. So I'm kind of sad they didn't do that. But next time, Apple, it's fine. It's just the regular thing. A SIM inject little chip thingy. You have your earpods. And then the two things that change with what comes in the box. So now they have this 18 watt fast charging brick compared to the old one. As you can see, sizing wise, this one is super tiny. These are the old ones. I believe these are 5 watts, so now it goes up to 18, which means it's going to charge a lot faster. And the cable also changed. For those who have the new MacBooks, you're going to be happy about this because now the charger is USB-C to the lightning cable. Okay. The regular Pro has a 5.8 screen, and this one, which is the Max, has a 6.5. Oh, all the different languages. So obviously I'm going to put English, United States. Already popped up on my iPhone 7. To continue. It's going to pop up when you get the new one. It's going to pop up this little pixel circle thing. Then you just hold your phone to it and it connects. And put the passcode for your old phone. Oh, Face ID. Alright. Continue. The big thing that kind of made iOS 13 really big is the light and dark mode, and we know dark mode it is. It just downloaded everything. I set it up with my old phone. It's out the camera first. Oh my god, you guys are seeing my mess. I'm sorry, that's all my camera equipment. Please ignore it. Whoa. Alright, so this is like the regular camera, right? This is the telephoto camera. And this is the ultra wide. Whoa. Okay. That is crazy. Okay, so apparently if you're like this and you turn your... Okay, maybe... Oh no, that's on selfie mode. Okay. So I'm on selfie mode. Hello, guys. So apparently if you turn your camera... Oh, yep, it automatically opens up onto wide so that you can take a group photo and get everyone. So I believe they added a new one. Yeah, so they added this one, which is the high key light mono. Before you could only use portrait mode for people, and now you can use it on animals and objects. Oh, I know what else we can test out. Okay, so let's go on YouTube. So basically the new iPhone has surround sound. So AD audio, for those who don't know, it basically sends, if you're in a car, you hear it a little bit better. It'll be one speaker than the other. If you have headphones, it works. So I want to try, because if it does have surround sound, you will be able to hear the difference. Oh yeah. That is so cool. You can literally hear the sound going in and out. That is so awesome. So it's really cool. I love that. Okay, so I'm pretty excited about this phone. Let me know down below if you want special camera testings of the iPhone 11 Pro. I'm going to test it out a little bit more. If you want to see more videos of me testing it out and getting more in depth with all of exactly everything that Apple has changed about this phone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!